Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on how to improve your handwriting. Watch till the end because there's a bonus at the end. So let's get on with the video. So the first tip is to draw a line in the middle of your ruled paper line. That is, this is the normal size of a ruled line and this is a divided line. And when you write this shorter letters, you need to touch the middle line, and when you're writing taller letters you need to touch the top line, and when you're going down you need to touch the middle line of the bottom. So this is how you're supposed to write in this. For T's, alphabet like T and all, you need to just put the dash right there like the line. So this was my first tip. So let's move on to the second tip. So for the second tip, you need to write the alphabets continuously in a row without leaving any space. I'll show you how it's done. Like for example, like this you need to write up to Z and time yourself. This will help you to keep up with your writing speed and also make sure that your handwriting is neat. So let's move on to the next tip. So the next tip is to use this kind of paper, that is 4-lined paper. It has 2 red lines and 2 blue lines when you're learning to write or when you're learning cursive for the first time. So in this, the writing is a little different. You need to use this space. That is, you need to write like, I'm going to write the word life. Need to write like that. So this is a little bit different, but it really helps you to learn handwriting and improve bad handwriting. It also gives you practice to maintain the distance between the letters and the size of the letters and many things like that. So let's move on to the next tip. The next tip is to practice strokes before you start learning cursive. So there are 2 main strokes. I'm going to show you them. First one is like this, and you need to go all the way like this. So it will help you with writing your letters like F and T and H and so on. The next one is this thing. It's a little bit different than a previous one, but it looks really similar. So this helps you in writing A and alphabets like that when you go up like that. So that was the next tip. So let's move on to the next tip. The next step is basically on the type of pen that you're supposed to use. When you're starting to learn cursive, it's better to use pens like this, which aren't really very smooth, but this gives you control over your writing. After you've mastered it a little better, you can start using pens like this because they're a little bit smoother. Like I'll show you the difference. So as you can see, it's a lot smoother, and when you have mastered it and you're satisfied with your handwriting, you can start using ink pens and cartridge pens and stuff, because these are a little bit harder to handle, but once you have mastered the art of cursive writing, you can use it without any fear of ruining your handwriting. So that was the next tip. So let's move on to the bonus tip, the last tip. So for the bonus tip, I'm going to be teaching you how to do calligraphy without brush pens. So as you can see, I have a very normal marker which has a coloring tip. So I'll just show you how to use this for calligraphy in case you don't have brush pens. So I'm going to write the word happy. So one thing you need to remember is that when you're going up, you need to use the normal line, and when you're coming down, you need to thicken the line a little bit like this. You can make out the difference between the 2 lines. Whenever you bring your pen down, remember to thicken the line. So as you can see, I've written the word happy right there. So you need to remember to thicken the line here, and then this is the basic tip of calligraphy. So if you practice this again and again, you can easily learn calligraphy, and then when you're good with it, you can use this for calligraphy too if you want. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you want to see next, and stay happy. Thank you.